It was an eventful evening in Abuja as the House of Igbenedion held a private dinner at Signature House, Abuja, residence of the Esama of Benin, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawawu Igbenedion, in honor of our former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Most Honorable Percival James Patterson, who is on a visit to Abuja, Nigeria. The list of dignitaries who graced the event is endless. They include members of the diplomatic corps, political bigwigs, captains of industry, traditional rulers, including the Emir of Kano, His Royal Highness Aminu Ado Bayero, former First Lady Hajia Toure Yaradua, among others, the wife of the Esama of Benin, and matriarch of the House of Igbenedion, Lady Cherry, who is also a Jamaican national, was on the ground to ensure the success of the event.
Well, it's special because I'm rekindling as though this evening I'm home in Jamaica for a couple of hours at least. So that makes it extremely special.
A son of the Esama of Benin, Mr. Bright Igbenedion, addressed the guest on behalf of the House of Igbenedion.
Do you believe that this man is 90 years old? You look incredible, sir. Your Royal Highness, thank you once again as a member of the Igbenedion family. Thank you for coming. Lady Cherry, as usual, you're always a star and you brought it up. Thank you. And each and every one of you that came here, God bless you all. And we shall meet in my dad's birthday, September 11th, to replicate and do this all over again.
Responding, the guest of honor and former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Most Honorable Percival James Patterson, who is in Abuja to attend the 32nd African Export-Import Bank, Afrexim Bank annual meeting, is full of accolades for the Esama of Benin, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawawu Igbenedion, whom he described as a dependable ally who has touched the lives of millions of people across the world.
The Igbenedion family is of peculiar significance to us. That is not surprising because his wife is a daughter of Jamaica who, after her marriage, has become a mother of Africa.
Kind words were also not in short supply from dignitaries at the event.
When I talk of Igbenedion family, I'm talking about my family, and I always feel happy. I always feel proud to be associated with this family.
It was a delight seeing him once more. He is a fantastic and phenomenal man, and it's a delight always seing him.
And the Jamaican